Imagine say obusu ani bi akopia mu e court na judge a ota konya nim no ama ne 70 years. Now after so many years judge na beka say o ma ne 70 years because na osuro say o ma ne 30 years na sempa ko no ko jail na oba ebia ne family would be the first family anipa no a o jeli no ebe attack we the life of a year Ataa Ayi na and the chief justice a year and as a chief justice nominee a year justice Baffoe Bonny ekopie mu ewo vetting committee enim ewo parliament of the Republic of Ghana na eho no this ansem we etu dwa say abra na oye youth na oye young no otna case bi so ano na the judge na oti akonwa mu na ojeji anase ojeli eye papa ye friend Ataa Ayi 70 years na nna say na osuro say o ma ne 30 years a ebia Ataa Ayi ko eba Ataa Ayi betimi ayeden aba abedi na ebusunya bone eno nti no o ma no 70 years there say asumpo na so ye yi na o ba no ebia justice Baffoe Bonny no na wo say and audience on to jana se be ko make I say ha aye Ghana nsem TV ne di amje so any promise ye wi so amene obedi nkomo afa nema ba ko menu miensa ho a NDC party no e da to jana mom ne nkoko tie nsem ho justice Baffoe Bonny de to dwa no emba ne wi a ya ba chiri adwen e won yembon wurem ne yenkomra abusua imagine say judge bi ajeje unua bi na wadamfo bi 70 years just because na osuro so one ba ko ne 30 years a nipa ne ba obetumi aba bedi ne bone say and a chief justice Bonny editor Jadi for Ataa Ayi case now.
In my youthful days, I gave somebody 70 years. Ataa Ayi, I gave him 70 years. And what I told myself was that if Ataa Ayi was given 30 years and he comes back, my family will be the first family he will attack. So by the time he comes back after 70 years, I'll be dead and gone.
Guys, Chief Justice nominated a year Justice Baffoe Bonny say Oma Ataa Ayi 70 years because now osuro says o man 30 years obetumi aba be any baby 70 years dey himself be back na years why then now we so the question is now Ataa Ayi deserve 70 years na so the man based on no ne emotions and I say the now no do no safety tin o man say years na we osuya intin some Justice Baffoe Bonny Chief Justice nominee editor Diana Chisemno Kokotie Edibaye. Now, my question I've been asking myself since I watched this video and they say, could it be, say, Justice Baffoe Bonny, ni jail sentence or the man a year armed a year robber Ataa Ayi no was based on fear. Say o man sumo years Ebi Ataa Ayi ko baba bedi ne boni ana. What was his reason? Because for you to say ujeli Ataa Ayi 70 years na the enti o man 30 ne say na wo suro say o man 30 na say ebia okoba o family would be the first family ebia nkobe den oba attack. Ghanaians are asking questions say from what the Chief Justice nominee is saying no, could it be say he wasn't fair in his justice and I say in his justice against Ataa Ayi? Because people are asking say, is this man credible enough to be the Chief Justice of the Republic of Ghana? Because from what he is saying, Ojeli Nipan based on his selfish interest, not based on the law, based on his selfish interest and thinking about himself, not on the law. Because according to what he said, say o man is 70 because 70 ne the obeba kra ne wawu, meaning maybe the boy no odi ye no ni jail sentence no na nke bi ani say drew 70 years no the man na. This is the question Ghanaians are asking. I'm not the one asking this question. Ghanaians want to know, say, this is the man that person be the Chief Justice of the Republic of Ghana. The Chief Justice of the Republic of Ghana. On Ghana, I'm running now. The third arm of the government, the judiciary, no. On the Babashan, you have the executive, legislature, and the judiciary, and he's going to be the one who will lead the judiciary, no. So we should ask our dear Chief Justice nominee, Justice Baffoe Bonny, say, ni jail term, our dema Ataa Ayi no, was it based on self-interest, self-safety, or it was based on the law? We need to understand. We need to know. Ghanaians deserve to know the reason why he gave out that jail sentence to Ataa Ayi. Everybody knows, say yes, not Ataa Ayi for. Fine, we understand. But did he deserve the jail sentence he was given? It's very important for us to know as Ghanaians, because this is very, very, very bad for our Chief Justice nominee to say, on man that years, because na osuo man 30 years okoba ebianka obetimi aba bedi nebusua any ono Chief Justice Baffoe Bonny. So it means that there is something wrong somewhere. Yes, there is something wrong somewhere, and we need to find out, because it's very, very concerning, bro. It means a lot of people, they have more big jail sentence. No? It is not in the law. They just did it out of emotions, hatred. Let's be real for once. What the matter says, you be a Korea point. You know, 20 years, we join 10 years, and more one back 15 years. Now Obi, I repeat Obi a communipa, Obi a Korea dear over 200 million, 300 million old currency. Now man 5 years. 4 years, 6 years. Are you trying to tell me, say, Obi are 200,000 Ghana cedis? And I say 2 million Ghana cedis deserve 5 years, 10 years in prison. But Obi Korea board, any could do deserve 20 and 15 years in prison? No. So from what the Chief Justice is saying, it's very, very concerning, and I need the lawyers in the comment section. The lawyers, I need you guys in the comment section. I want to understand something, because I'm confused with what the Chief Justice said. I'm confused, bro. I'm confused. I want to understand what is going on. I want to understand. And this man is coming to be our Chief Justice, so bro, if they can't be one a Chief Justice, shit. It's very, very worrying, bro. It's very, very worrying. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Let me know, because I don't even know what to say again, bro. I don't know. Sincerely speaking, I don't know. I don't know what to say again. And it's very, very, very bad. It's very, very, very bad. I'm telling you. Hi Ghana and Sam TV. We didn't have just one promise. Message over like now share. Now watch the comment section. Chief Justice nominated Justice Baffoe Bonny. In some of the two Ghana know. Ever dream. Ha, Ghana and Sam TV. Yeah, sure other videos are. We better to us. Now I know so.